God, it's going upstairs.
We got a bird upstairs.
Come down. There it is. It's on the stairs.
Here.
Don't, Dad.
He's in your room.
No,
I'll go in.
No.
We gotta let him get out.
No.
I'm following you. This is good YouTube footage. The bird in the house. We're
I
trying
heard the noise. I'm going, holy crap, what is that?
It's trying to fly out the window. And it's in your room.
Here. Don't let him get out.
Oh, there he is.
Come on, Birdie. Come on, it's okay. No. You don't want to go in there.
What if he poops? Oh, God. Oh.
Okay, you guys go downstairs. Jay, stay up here.
I think we should open your window.
Come on. It's okay. I will.
Oh, my God. Oh. Open your window.
Jason, don't open the doors down there. Come on.
There he is. He's behind your... Try to open those windows. He'll fly out.
I gotta take the screens out.
Just open one room. I'm going under. Let's let him go.
You just took out your whole window.
He's flying out this window.
Where is he, Daddy?
Under the bed. We don't know really where he is. Oh, he's right there.
Did he die?
Oh, he's fine.
Huh?
We should keep it as a pet.
Should we keep it YouTube? No one knows.
Keep it.
Okay, let's shut the door. Okay? So he doesn't go back in the house.
Okay, shut the door.
Well, you guys can come in if you want.
I'm making a video. Okay. We have to scare him.
Meow.
You don't see him? He's behind the mirror.
Yes?
It's not a cat, Dad.
He's coming right underneath your feet, Jay.
Oh, God. Okay, I see him. Where is he? This is creepy.
Make sure it doesn't get your feet.
Where's he at?
Oh, no, I'm going on the bed.
I don't know.